That church don't bring us another one over people. Every day a different strategy and different things. This one now, I beg, allow me give this church name. May nobody come against me. I don't give a name. Matchmaking Church of Christ. My people, if you now see how they give people partners for this church. Now, so one old man go meet pastor, say, sir, my wife died and I've been lonely. I've been alone. I'm suffering. You understand? I need somebody to keep me company. Now, so the man of God, the man of God just tell her, walk round. I give you permission and choose any woman of your choice, and it shall be established. Now, so this man go round, though, he pick woman. I bet make I not tell una wetin the woman do, wetin the woman talk. I want make una see am by una own eye. You understand? I bet join me, make we watch the Matchmaking Church of Christ.
And since then, I have been alone.
Okay.
I want company.
Okay. Papa said his wife died, and since then he has been alone. He need another one. Go around, sir. Go around. Choose anyone you want, sir. Choose anyone, sir.
I will settle down today. You will settle down today. Papa, go around and see your wife. Everywhere. Oh, yeah. You will settle down today. You will settle down today. You will settle down today. You will settle down. Hey, 1, 2.
Now, he knows your husband, but your husband is not alive again. Is your husband not alive again?
He's late, 5 months ago.
Okay, he died 5 months ago.
Yes.
Sir, don't worry. See me later. Don't worry. See me later. God bless you. You are blessed. Thank you. Where is the other man?
I beg, the song where they sing now for me, I've been for another. Chai! Now crime to go church, oh. No, it don't become crime to go church. And they tell on a serious matter. Because now person go church. You they go church, but you they wonder, what will I see today? What is today holding for me? Because now we know. See this woman. She go church, say she they go serve God before you know, and her husband they won't give her. Now by force. Hi! Chineke me. So now like this they marry. Now they understand. No wonder some marriages, if you see and say you they pity them. You no go allow me person fall in love with person. Make person using eyes see person love her. You they match make people. And when I hear that from the woman mouth. She just lost her husband 5 months ago. Not even up to Charlie waiting beyond this one. Not even up to 1 year. You know, not go allow this woman money husband finish. Once you not choose anyone, like saying a biscuit, I been a pepper where you enter market, you say choose. We are talking about lifetime something here. These people, if they marry, now forever, and I been for better and for worse. Some pastors want too much. So see, some pastors now our problem. Some of these pastors, they be our own problem. I beg this woman, I beg me will give her 3 bosa. See how she do the tofiakwa. He said, no be me and you. Which marry? I like your reaction. If na some of una husband, una we do they desperate, any small thing, una no go even say na old man, una go just stand up. Yes, the Lord has spoken. Which Lord? Which Lord has spoken? We spoke. This God spoke now. Some churches, and they repeat them. Some churches, Chineke. I not just understand. Wait, is it that they don't get message again to preach, or they like? I not just understand. No message, or for the messages where they this life. People will never know Jesus. You don't see message to preach. You don't see. I don't just understand. Make una dey careful the kind church una dey go. I not to say no, I don't go church. Please, take very careful. And not be everything where your pastor talk you go take. Some things not be for you. Some things not be for you. What is this thing? No, this thing now will just happen. What is the message? What is it telling people? You fit carry anybody, give am to another person. You fit carry this one. Tomorrow now, if the marriage break or the man start to beat the woman, wetin you go talk? Some of una. Once pastor don't talk one thing, una go on. In fact, una fit even kill una self. Because it's my pastor. Una no go pray about something. At least hear God. See, I dey tell una this thing. Know God by yourself. Go to church, but no go by yourself. Have a personal relationship. If not, any smart thing where they tell you, you say you go they follow. Because this thing no funny. You forget say now laughing something, but see on a serious note, this thing no they funny. How you go just hey, you not even do it privately. Okay, even if I thought you won't do this kind of thing, call the woman. Sit and down, tell her, say, okay, person dey here wey like you. How far? Are you ready for something? You understand? Something like that. You just go. Pick anybody. I give you permission. Pick Chai! No, make us stop to the laugh because it they make if I dey remember only the song. Now only the song where these people they play, if I dey remember it make me they laugh. Choir people. Choir members now they even rehearse song. They get song where they sing for this kind program. The program now find me a wife, I find you a husband. Now the name of the program be this. I bet people, I say make I bring a call on aside. I don't know how many of you they attend this particular church, but something needs to be done. Because share this video so that everybody go know what say they happen now. In fact, the matter is very, very serious. I don't know whether na lack of husband or lack of wife, but in each way we una fit see her, be una see her. Share this video so that people go see na the shelle for the shelle be this. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, no, imagine this kind of matter now where you want hear her, where you want see her. Humble yourself now. I just click on that thing. Very, very important. And still drop your comment as usual. I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.